Hello kids, welcome to ABC123 Magical Learning. Let's learn alphabets A to Z with tracing and coloring. Kids, first we will trace the alphabets. A, alphabet A. Next is B, alphabet B. C, this is C. Next is D, alphabet D. E, alphabet E. F, next is G, alphabet G. H, alphabet H. I, alphabet I. J, K, L, M, N, N, O, alphabet O. P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Let's color the alphabets. A, this is A. A for apple. Next is B. B for ball. B for ball. Next is C. C for cow. C for cow. Then D. D for duck. D for duck. After D, E. E for eagle. E for eagle. F. F for fish. Then comes G. G for giraffe. G for giraffe. After G, H. H for horse. H for horse. Then comes I. I for ice cream. J. J for jug. Then comes K. K for kite or K for kangaroo. Then comes L. L for lion. L for lion. M. M for monkey. M for monkey. N for nest. O for octopus. P for parrot. P for parrot. Q for queen. Next come R. R for rainbow. R for rainbow. Then comes S. S for sun. Then comes T. T for tiger. T for tiger. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V for violin. V for violin. Then comes which alphabet? W. W for watch. W for watch. Then it's X. X for Xmas tree. X for Xmas tree. Y for yellow. Y for yellow. And the last alphabet is Z. Z for zero. Z for zero. Kids, we have learnt alphabets A to Z. Kids, let's repeat again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Kids, hope you like this video. Please share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye bye.